Good day one and all. Welcome back to CDO Crank Tours. My name is Fred. May item tayong in order sa Shopee. Dumating na. Unbox natin. Tara. Alright. Shoutout po sa J&T Express. Ganda ng pagkapak. May initial packaging po bago ang actual na box ng item. Spora Sub Butterfly Mask Black, made in China. Ito na yung huling balot, bagong item. Ay, may isa pa pala. Grabe. Oh, may isa pa. For sure, last na to. Yun, oh, ganda. May inner seal. May logo ng Spora Sub. Malambot po yung silicone, mukhang madaling makapag-equalize. Tapos malaki yung gap ng lens, kaya madaling mahawakan yung ilong. Okay naman po yung rubber, hindi masyadong matigas. Tapos malawak ang kapit sa likod. Wala pong kasamang snorkel to. Mask lang po.
Wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey.